So with our PLS marked on the map, my bookmark created, I could go ahead and print a map from here if I know no other information and I just need to get a map out. What I would prefer to do is, if I could, is enter a little bit of information about our subject. If I have time to do so, I will start an editing session. Rather than going to the templates and creating new features, I'm going to go ahead and put information in about this feature right here. There's a couple of ways to do this. I can select that feature. I've just clicked on it, and I've put a little blue selection mark on it. I can now click on the Attributes tab right here. This gives me all the information about this feature that I'm selected on. So I can enter a date associated with this, and this was the 11th. The subject number, this will be subject number 1. His name, Joe Blogs. The incident, because we've already defined an incident earlier when we immediately open the map, the incident is now the search for Joe Blogs, so we can associate that incident with this person. I can put a description in, I can put a gender in, an age, height, weight, hair color, etc. And there's a space for other information. You'll note that it also populated the UTM, east and north, and the lat and long of this place on the map. When I'm done, I can just simply move away or just close this. Now what you'll notice I've done here is populate information about this point. It goes back to the attribute table the same as the incident did. So this is the layer. If I actually click on the layer, right click on it, and open the attribute table, this is exactly the same information that we just populated from that attributes dialog up here. And you'll see I could go in and edit this, and I could put more information about Joe in here. I could enter his height and his weight, hair color, etc. So editing in this attribute table is editing exactly the same as editing in the attribute dialog. Just one is a little more convenient to get to from the map, I find. I can now close this up. And next step will be to go ahead and print a map.